This is a super yummy, super healthy meal you can make in a snap. There are many varieties of gluten-free smoked or cooked meats I've added to this recipe. Today I'll be using the chicken sausage. Cook your quinoa. I'm using an Instant Pot, and while it's cooking, I'll chop my kale and herbs. I'm using herb scissors to chop my kale. You could certainly chop it with a knife. I'll also use my herb scissors for the parsley and the chives. Chop your sausage into bite-sized pieces. And brown your sausage. Then simply combine all of your ingredients. Taste and adjust your seasonings, and you're ready to serve this power-packed meal. Leave your comments below for variations you've tried, and thanks for watching.